Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I just want to give you guys just a quick heads up. I'm on MyPoints. This is my other browser that I print. Today I actually get 2 points for printing every coupon. But I do want to share with you guys new coupons to print. There's a really good one. But they also just added these Petco coupons and PetSmarts. If you guys do shop at these stores, they do take coupons. But there are some good printable coupons. So we have a buy two get one free, and these are science diet. So if you guys need your pets on certain specific foods, this is definitely a great deal. But they do have $10 off 7 pounds of dog food or cat food for either PetSmart or Petco. And then they also have $5 off a 3 5.5 bag, no, 3 to 5.5 pound bags of cat food or dog food. I'm not sure how much those cost. I'd probably have to look online. But if you guys need to go ahead and get some good deals on pet food, go ahead and do that. And then they just also added the Purina dog chow. You get $1 off of 3. I know there was an Ibotta deal, but you have to buy 4 cans. So I think the buy one get one free coupons that we had are still good. I don't know for sure, but hey. And then you guys want to print this coupon right here. This is a hot coupon. It probably will not last long, but it doesn't expire, I think, until like December 19th or the 9th is what I saw. So I just wanted to kind of just give you guys a heads up on new coupons to print. There's really nothing else that was new, but in case you guys need to get some dog food, go ahead. The Colgate one is still available if you guys were not able to print that off. The Ben & Jerry's, I'm going to print that off because, yeah, I think this emergency one's going to be available sometime soon. But I didn't print all these off yesterday, so I'm just printing the rest of them off. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.